how to help your child with autism or ADHD with transitions. Now, we know that children have lots of meltdowns, and that's normally because they haven't transitioned through what they need to do. So, let's teach you about transitions. 9 steps today on transitions. The first one is to create a visual schedule. When your child can see what activities they have to do for the day, they know how to prepare their body, and they transition through it without too much stress. They know what's coming up, they know what order, there's no anxiety, no cause for alarm. Number 2 is to use social stories because we all know that social stories preempt what's happening. So they read through the social story a few times and then they understand what is to come. It reduces all of their anxiety and they know what to expect. Number 3, my favorite, use visual cues because we all know that the visuals help your child to reduce their anxiety. They know what their next activity is and they know what is expected of them. Use a countdown or a timer, and these are so fantastic. Visual timers are really great for your children with autism and ADHD because your child knows how much time is left before the next activity. They prepare their body and they move through. Number 5 is to practice the transition. When they're in a good space, they're in a calm environment, they're controlled and safe, practice so that they know what it looks like. The 6th thing you can do is to use positive reinforcement and rewards because every child likes to be told that they're doing a good job. You can see that they're trying hard. All children want to achieve your praise, so make sure you give it to them. Doesn't have to be a successful effort, but it has to be an effort that you comment on. The 7th thing is to talk to your child's therapist or special ed teacher for other ideas that they might have. You might have an OT, a speechy, a behavioural education person who can help you, and that is fantastic. Number 8, make sure you allow extra time for the transitions and be ready to plan for challenging behaviour or triggers. If they're playing with Lego, it's their favourite thing, and they've got to go and eat dinner, it's going to be difficult for them to learn to do that positively. Using the steps above will really help with that, but they're not going to get it right every single time. So practice it and allow the time for them to move through it. And the last thing, number 9, is to use positive language. And you need to remain calm when they are going through a transition. You're guiding them, you're the adult, you know what to expect, so you need to be the calm force. All the best with this.